Nibiru.
That was one. There were several incarnations of Planet X.
Right.
That was among them. Okay.
That was the most wacky.
I'm talking about 100 years ago, Planet X. Okay.
Yes. 100 years ago?
Well, there's several Planet X's, right? So, Uranus was moving weirdly. Nobody understood. Maybe there's a planet beyond it whose gravity we have yet to reckon. Well, my phone is, sorry about that.
You're going to drop that thing and break it with no case on?
Why are you distracting me like that?
Sorry.
I was going to roll. And
Neptune.
So Neptune's not following all the laws of gravity that from all the other planets in the sun. There must be another planet out there, a Planet X. Let's look for it.
Is that Bode's law?
Bode's law is a fitting function that gets you, it got a little more attention than it deserved. So we're out here at Neptune. And so I said, maybe there's a Planet X. Everybody started looking, including Percival Lowell. All right. Back in the 1920s. And he says, I want to find Planet X because something's perturbing Neptune. So he sets out looking for it and he doesn't find it. Then he hires Clyde Tombaugh. And he dies, so he doesn't see the results of this. Clyde Tombaugh, he said, I can't find it either. I will just systematically search everywhere. Because if you think something's affecting you gravitationally, you ought to have some idea where it is to be tugging on you in that way. He does this, discovers Pluto. Was Pluto where Planet X was supposed to have been? No. Was Pluto the mass that Planet X should have been? Everyone assumed it was. But over the decades, the mass of Pluto got lower and lower and lower as our estimates got more and more accurate. And then we found out that Pluto is 1/5 the mass of our moon, made of half ice. And this is why Pluto got into trouble later in the 20th century. It's not because we had some vendetta against Pluto. Pluto just never belonged in that list to begin with. That's really how you need to think about it. Anyhow, there's still the matter of Neptune's orbit. Pluto did not have enough mass to make those changes. So the search for Planet X continued. All right. 1993. A colleague of mine named Miles Standish. He looked at all of the data people were using to say Neptune's orbit was crooked. Looked at all the data. Then he found out that at one particular observatory, the gearbox or the timing mechanism had just been cleaned or swapped out. He said, I wonder if that had an effect on the positioning of this telescope. He fitted data to all the other telescopes that he had for the positions of Neptune. When he did that, Planet X evaporated in that instant.